Over the next 4 days, Gaurav and I are going to be going on a 2,000 kilometer road trip crossing 4 states all the way from Delhi to Goa. And just to give you an idea of the sheer magnitude of this trip, India is just 3,200 kilometers long. We're covering 60% of the length of India, where I'm from in New Zealand. New Zealand is just 1,600 kilometers long. So we're traveling further than the entire length of New Zealand. And I'm not even sure we can actually make it. We've got 4 days to travel 2,000 kilometers. That's 500 kilometers a day. And Indian roads are notoriously bad to ride on. There are so many obstacles and there's no riding straight at 100 kilometers an hour. It's just too dangerous. And why Goa? Well, we're going to the largest meetup of Royal Enfield motorcycle enthusiasts in the world. That's where it's held and it's called Rider Mania. And if you don't know what Royal Enfield is, Royal Enfield is more than an Indian motorcycle brand. Royal Enfield is an Indian icon. It is one of the most loved brands in all of India. Indians aspire to owning a thumping bullet. And Royal Enfield is not paying me for this. They've invited me to Rider Mania. So I said, okay, I'll come to Rider Mania, but you have to give me a bike to ride there on. I'm gonna ride from Delhi to Goa and I'm gonna enjoy your meetup with the rest of these bike enthusiasts after having ridden your bike there. And they said, okay, so cool, let's do it. Let's go pack my bag. I pack a little differently, guys. And then let's go to the Royal Enfield showroom and pick up my new Himalayan. You guys aren't gonna believe this, but I only travel with a 22-liter backpack and a tank bag. And I traveled just with these 2 bags all the way to Leh in Ladakh, one of the hardest rides in all of India. And I do this because I hate screwing up the handling and killing the experience of riding a motorcycle with tons of baggage. I see these guys with like all these fancy panniers on the sides and on the top, and it just destroys the ride of the bike. It destroys the handling, and it makes riding no fun at all. I travel light. I'm a minimalist. You should try it too. I just had to kick my girlfriend's mum out of this area so I could film this. I feel bad. I wonder if I'm gonna get in trouble. In my 22-liter backpack, and this gets bungee corded onto the back of the bike, I keep my clothes, and I take very few clothes with me. I keep my driver's license, sunblock, stomach infection medication because I always get sick on the road here, my toothbrush, and my gimbal as well. In my tank bag, I just keep all my camera equipment so I can grab it really quickly, hand sanitizer, and my sunglasses. There is one more bag, and what the hell could be in here? And you'll notice they're all 1 rupee coins. That's the kind of guy I am, 1 rupee person. Hey, here we are, ready to get the bikes out. We're gonna pick up a couple of Himalayans from Royal Enfield here in Saket and in South Delhi. A couple of North Delhi dudes in South Delhi, eh?
Yep.
Not our scene.
Delhi better be afraid of us.
We're not cool here. We don't fit in here, man. I have a real problem. I have size 13 feet, and so it's impossible for me to ever find a shoe, especially a riding boot, to take on this trip. So I had none until right now. I was going to wear sneakers, but here they had a size 12, and it just fits. It's a little bit tight, but it's fine. I went to Koralbag a year ago actually, and we had to go to some guy's house somewhere else in Delhi because he was the supplier, and he went back into his house and up to a storage room, and he found, by some kind of miracle, a size 13, and that's what I took to Leh. They got totally destroyed on that ride, and yeah, now I need a new pair, but it's just so impossible to find. Even in normal shoes in India, you won't find a size 13 anywhere. It stops at like 10, or if you're lucky, the sizing stops at 11 here in this country. And no jokes about big feet in the comments there. Ladies. Bye. There's a problem with this bike.
Why?
Dekho. Ye number plate Maharashtra hai. I won't take it. Nahi.
Why?
Haryana wala chahiye.
Haryana wala. Yeah. We'll paste another one on top of it and we'll write Jat Boy on it.
We have to.
That's the best.
Jat Boy sticker. That's what I need.
On that.
Oh no, Maharashtra. It says BJ as well. I guess that makes up for it somewhat. And the thing about the number plate is, in India, this identifies you. You can't be a Delhi guy riding with a Maharashtra plate or with some other plate. You want to represent your state, right? So you don't want to ride with another state's number plate. And then you need some stickers on these bikes. everybody has stickers. If you're like me, your sticker says Ram Ram or Rate Rate. Or if you're like Gaurav, it says like Dizzy Boy, Jat Boy. Anything like that. You need to get your number plate right and you need to get your stickers right. Okay, so these are our bikes that we're gonna take.
Talking dirty, playing cheap. I know I'm
You ready?
Yes, Goa waiting.
Yeah. But first we have to cross Delhi. Oh my god. Chalo.
to take you through the night.